We will guide you through how to make background dark in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC and import the photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, select it from the Library module and click the Develop module to access the editing workspace. Once the Develop module opens, click the Masking tool and select Background to automatically create a mask around the background while keeping the main subject separate. After the background mask has been created, reduce the exposure to darken the background and make the subject stand out more prominently. Next, reduce the shadows to deepen the darker areas while preserving a natural transition between the subject and the background. Continue by reducing the blacks to create a richer and more dramatic background without affecting the subject. Then, reduce the highlights slightly to control any remaining bright areas in the background and maintain a balanced appearance. If needed, adjust the contrast to improve the separation between the subject and the background, creating a stronger visual impact. Carefully refine the background mask to ensure the adjustments are applied only to the background and do not spill onto the subject. Zoom in and inspect the edges of the subject, making any necessary corrections so the mask blends smoothly and naturally. Review the background effect carefully and compare it with the original image if necessary. Make additional refinements to the exposure, shadows, blacks, highlights, contrast, or mask until you achieve the desired darkened background effect. Once you are satisfied with the final result, save the editing changes to preserve all the adjustments you have made. Finally, the background has been darkened successfully.